Hi, thanks for clicking this video. A sub to this channel will be highly appreciated. DOOGEE has announced another variant of their popular DOOGEE V Max, alongside other series of rugged phones. In today's video, I will be focusing on the newly announced DOOGEE V Max LR and the Pro version of the phone to see how the two versions are different. The LR stands for laser range, which means the phones support laser rangefinders and other features. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe if you enjoy this video, and leave a comment if you have any questions or opinion after watching this video to the end.